I am at 4311 Orchard Avenue. We are in the Ohio City neighborhood. This is new construction by Elmhurst Homes. So we've got board and batten siding. And I don't know if you noticed, but up on the roof, they did a metal roof on top of the porch. Composite decking and steps. So this will be here for a long time. You don't have to worry about it. Let's head inside. Got the nice shaker style door. Walk in. We've got a nice big living room. It's a very spacious floor plan. It's windy out, so sorry about my hair. Very spacious floor plan. Plenty of room for dining. There's space up there for a fixture. The builder didn't want to kind of totally define the space for somebody, so that wasn't put in, but there is room up there for a fixture, or you could do track lighting or whatever you want. You've got resilient floors. These are laminate. These will take a lot of damage. So if you got a dog or something like that, these are not going to show any dings or anything like that. Quartz counters. Got these really cool cabinets. I forget the name of them, but they're kind of a brownish, but really, really cool. And they match the floor really nicely. Quartz, big farmer sink, stainless steel, stainless appliances, tile backsplash. And then we've got a big walk-in closet here. And let's go back here. We got our half bath off the hallway. And let's see, we'll go upstairs. Nice ceiling fan. The key to this house, and the first time I walked into this after it was built, was the light. The light in here, it is just wonderful. We're right next to an alley, which, there isn't a house next door, and there will never be a house right next door. And so the light just pours into this, and you're really gonna see this upstairs when we go to the bedroom level. We've got wood steps, main bath, straight ahead of us here. So deep tub, tile surround, tile floor. Got a vanity that matches downstairs. Nice size room. But check this out. I mean, look at the light streaming in here. This is the back bedroom. I love it. So we got an open hallway here, so this gives you a lot of light, gives you a sense of space. It's the middle bedroom, probably the smallest, but still a good size. Both have closets, of course. We've got bedroom level laundry. So right outside the master, linen closet, and the master bedroom. Again, lots of light. We've got that high window for privacy. Bathroom's right here, tile floor, contemporary vanity, and tile shower, the glass enclosure and door, which is really nice. And big walk-in closet. So kind of giving you an idea, this building in the back there, that is the Sherwin-Williams store. The new building was built, Sherwin-Williams is in there. So that's at 44th and Lorain. So many businesses have been popping up along Lorain. It's just crazy to see the growth. But all of that's within walking distance. Goldie's Donuts, Heart of Gold, Duck Rabbit Coffee, Zingy, Urban Twine, Sense Pizza. I'm forgetting a bunch of stuff, but there's just so much going on, and it's amazing to see the growth on Lorain Avenue. And that stuff's all a block away. We're not talking blocks, we're talking a block. And then, of course, the Market District, Great Lakes, Market Garden, Westside Market, all that is a short walk also. Big basement. It is awesome down here. So they put in a slop sink. In case you're wondering, this blanket, this is insulation for the space that is above grade. And that's something that's required for the green rating, which makes this house very, very efficient, and also is required for tax abatement. This will have full 15-year, 100% tax abatement. You will only pay for taxes on the land. So here's the floor plan, and now I'm gonna go out the back door, and we've got a nice little courtyard here. And we've got the garage. Just nice 2-car garage. That's all I got for you.